Welcome to the Prepper Almanac, your source for survival tips and general prepper information in a world that's constantly changing. In today's video, we are going to delve into a topic of utmost importance: prepper hacks to fortify your home to be prepared for anarchy and potential societal collapse. We'll be focusing on practical measures you can take to make your home a fortress, ensuring your safety and security, no matter what chaos ensues outside. We're going to cover a range of strategies from lighting and surveillance, landscaping for security, to securing entrances and interior measures, including alarms. Each of these aspects plays a crucial role in your overall home defense strategy, and we're here to guide you through it all, especially to be ready for a societal collapse, anarchy, or the aftermath of World War III. And if you find value in today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Your support helps us continue providing you with the content you need to stay safe and prepared. Be sure to watch the video to the end and let us know your thoughts about the video in the comment section below. We always love hearing from you, our community, so buckle up and let's get started with our home fortification discussion. A well-lit property can be a formidable deterrent for unwanted visitors. Picture yourself strolling down a shadowy alley when suddenly a light flickers on. It's disconcerting, isn't it? This is the power of lighting, one of the most straightforward strategies to your home security. Illuminating your premises serves two major objectives. Firstly, it gives the illusion of an occupied house, even if there's no one actually home. This alone can ward off potential intruders. Secondly, strategically placed light can illuminate dark corners and concealed areas that intruders might exploit. However, wouldn't it be even better to have your lights on and off automatically when you're not home? That's where timers comes into play. This device can randomly activate lights at different places in your house, enhancing the illusion of occupancy. Now picture lights that are activated by motion. Motion detection lights are a stellar enhancement to your home security system. They switch on when someone enters your property, instantaneously illuminating the surroundings and potentially startling intruders. But wouldn't it be even better to be alerted before someone even reaches your doorstep? That's exactly what infrared driveway alarms enable. These devices perceive the heat radiated by individuals, vehicles, or large animals, and set an alarm when they sense movement in their coverage zone. This gives you invaluable time to prepare and react if necessary. The implementation of deadbolts that lock your garage can provide an additional layer of security. Also ensure that all exterior doors are either steel-cased or made of solid hardwood, as this can significantly bolster your defenses. For an additional layer of protection, consider installing peepholes on each of your exterior doors. This allows you to see who's outside without having to open the door. For added protection, you can cut a broomstick to fit in the door track of a sliding glass door. And for a more robust security measure, consider using a dual-functioning security bar and wedge it up against a doorknob. These efforts, while potent, primarily focus on deterrence and advance warning. What about capturing an intruder in the act? That's where security cameras come into the picture. Tactically positioned, they can monitor the main entrances to your home, providing live surveillance and documenting evidence that might be crucial later on. Be it a noticeable dome camera or a subtler bullet camera, the presence of surveillance equipment can be a potent deterrent. And with modern technology, you monitor the footage, ensuring your peace of mind wherever you are. To increase the illusion of occupancy, it's also effective to close your drapes nightly. This includes on the street side during the day, which can prevent intruders from peeking inside your home. However, remember that these security measures are most effective when employed together. A comprehensive approach to home security incorporates multiple layers of defense, each supporting and enhancing the other. The right combination of lighting, surveillance, and solid physical security measures can significantly enhance your home security. So, ensure your property is well lit. Your garden isn't just for aesthetics. It can also serve as your first line of defense. A well-maintained landscape can play a crucial role in your home's security. Let's start with trees and shrubs. Although they add beauty to the property, they can also provide a perfect hiding spot or an unseen entry point for potential intruders. Therefore, it's crucial to eliminate any overgrown trees or shrubs close to windows and other potential entry points. This not only deters burglars but also gives you and your neighbors a clear view of your property. We're not suggesting you to strip your garden bare. Instead, think about using your plants strategically. For instance, consider planting shrubs such as roses, holly, or barberry near windows and entryways. These aren't just pretty to look at. but their prickly nature can make attempted break-in a painful endeavor. Let's not overlook the importance of the area around your front door. Ensure that it is clear of any large shrubs or structures where someone could easily hide. This visibility can act as a deterrent, increasing the chances of a potential intruder being seen. What about when you're not at home, or it's nighttime? A well-lit exterior can be a powerful deterrent. Routine maintenance also plays a crucial part in your home's security. An unkempt garden can signal to burglars that the house is unoccupied. Therefore, keep your lawn mowed, hedges trimmed, and your garden well kept. Some additional precautions can further enhance your home security. Lower your home phone's ringer and answering machine volume, as would-be intruders can easily find your home phone number and then call it to check if you are home. Similarly, leaving a radio and the lights on, both outside and inside, when you're not home can create the illusion of occupancy. Don't forget to keep your vehicle's keyless entry fob right next to your bed so you can activate the car alarm if you detect an unwanted presence at home. Have an ultra-bright flashlight on your nightstand by your weapon of choice. A loud whistle can help to scare off burglars and alert the family in the event of an intrusion. It's advisable to keep a baseball bat on hand in addition to a home defense firearm. By integrating these landscaping and security tips into your home security strategy, you can turn your garden and your home into an effective first line of defense. Doors and windows are the most common gateways for burglars. It's time to fortify them. Now you might be questioning, how can I make my entrances unappealing to potential intruders? Well, the solution lies in enhancing your doors and windows. Begin by contemplating the type of doors you have. As discussed earlier, solid hardwood or steel-cased exterior doors are a burglar's worst fear. They're sturdier, more resistant, and considerably harder to break down. If your doors are hollow or composed of weaker material, then it's probably time for a replacement. Even the most robust doors can be penetrated if their locks aren't robust enough. But don't pause there. Steel door jambs are another priceless addition. Install a steel door jamb on all exterior doors. They significantly boost the strength of your door frames and can withstand a substantial force. Another piece of equipment to ponder over is a dual-functioning security bar. Wedge this device against a doorknob, making it significantly harder for an intruder to gain entry. Keep in mind, the objective isn't just to ward off intruders, but to make your home appear like too much of an effort to even contemplate breaking into. Invest in the necessary tools, adopt the correct strategies, and you can transform your home into a formidable fortress. Inside your home, there are several strategies to employ to keep you safe. For starters, consider using a concealment device for your spare keys. Traditional hiding spots like under a rug or rock near the door are predictable, so get creative with your hideaways. Parking a vehicle on your driveway, even when you're not home, can create the illusion of occupancy, deterring potential intruders. Similarly, making sure your remote control garage door opener is stored out of sight in your vehicle can stop unauthorized access to your home. An alarm company sign out front can serve as a strong deterrent, even if don't have a security system installed. Perception is a powerful tool in your security arsenal. Let's not forget man's best friend. Dogs, both inside and outside, can be excellent security measures. An outside watchdog can alert you to potential intruders, while even a small, yappy inside dog can deter criminals by creating noise and drawing attention. A small bell over your doorways can act as an early warning system, ringing whenever the door is opened. In times of heightened security, a baby monitor near likely entrances can provide additional peace of mind. Again, make sure to keep your vehicle's keyless entry fob right next to your bed. This will allow you to activate the car alarm if you hear someone entering your home. Coupled with an ultra-bright flashlight on your nightstand, you'll be prepared to respond to potential threats. Remember, your safety lies in your preparedness. These strategies can help you achieve ultimate home defense. In addition to personal security measures, another effective method of home defense is community involvement. Establishing a neighborhood watch program can significantly increase the safety of your area. A neighborhood watch is a group of citizens who are proactive about their community's security by keeping an eye out for suspicious activities and reporting them to law enforcement. This collective vigilance can deter potential burglars, as they're less likely to target areas where they know they're being watched. Make sure to have regular meetings with your neighbors to discuss any concerns and ensure everyone is on the same page. To further improve your neighborhood security, consider installing streetlights if your area lacks them. A well-lit neighborhood can discourage criminals who prefer to operate under the cover of darkness. Another important aspect of community involvement is communication. Establishing a network of trust and communication among your neighbors can help you all respond swiftly and effectively to potential threats. You could also use social media platforms or messaging apps to keep each other updated. Remember, a well-knit community is a strong deterrent against crime. Your home security isn't just about the physical defenses you put up, it's also about the relationships you build with those around you. As we wrap up today's video, we'd like to take a moment and encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences. If you have any questions or if there are any topics that you would like discussed in the future, please let us know in the comment section below. We love to get video ideas from the community, and your input is invaluable to us. Let us know what you think of today's video as well. Your feedback helps us create better content and tackle the subjects that matter most to you. Be sure to like today's video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on all things related to home security and prepping. We know that prepping is not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle, and sharing knowledge is part of that. So, feel free to share this video with others that may have a passion for prepping or are curious about it. Remember, a prepared community is a safer community. Lastly, we'd like to draw your attention to YouTube's algorithm. It's designed to recommend videos that align with your interests and viewing history. You'll see a suggested video in the top left-hand area of your screen. We think you'll find it interesting and informative. Thank you for spending your time with us here at the Prepper Almanac. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and keep prepping.